So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and make a caricature on ChatGPT. Now, doing this is actually very basic and it really does not take too much time at all. So to get started, the very first thing we're going to want to do here is we want to go ahead and find the image that we want to go ahead and make a caricature of. So it can really be any type of image that you want. So go ahead, find the image of that caricature that you want to go ahead and basically, find. So right here, you can see we have this photo. We have a lot of photos, so choose the one that works out the best for you. Next up, you want to go into ChatGPT. So open up ChatGPT, and you want to go ahead and bring in that image. So click on the photo at the bottom, right? Click on Photos, and then you want to click on and find the image that you want to go ahead and find. So click on All Photos and find that image. So there's a lot of different images out there that you can choose from. So find that image, and you want to click on that image right here. Now, after bringing in that image, you want to tell ChatGPT to let me just do this way. Create a caricature of this photo. So just like that, you can ask it to create a caricature of this photo and then watch what happens. After a few moments, it's not really that fast. It takes probably like a couple minutes to be honest with you, but it's gonna go through and create this image, and that is basically all you're going to have to do. At this point, you'll be good to go, and then you can go ahead and copy this image just like how I did right here any way you want to. So that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.